by putting your red probe on the negatives on the ground side and the black on the positive side of the chip you want to confirm. So we are having 0.8583. Man, this is a short. This one is short, EP. What do I mean by short? There is a bond or bad cap present on that line, which is not allowing the system to produce the normal voltage to display image well on this motherboard. So all these things I'm just explaining here are the things we are going to be teaching you guys on our training class that will be soon commence. So here now, with the help of the flare camera, we have fish out the bad egg among all the good caps here. You understand what I mean now? So the bad egg, we're going to fish it out. Now that we have fished it out, now let's confirm if actually there is a bad egg in our society. So my dear, there is a bad egg. Before, you remember what we read on that line is 0.085, but now you are seeing that we're having 0.858. So that means that one might be the bad egg. That one they cause commotion for the animal kingdom, from the kingdom of all the capacitors of motherboard. That one they cause them. But funny enough, you see this cap we removed now. This cap is actually not burnt, and it's actually not reading or giving us continuity on our meter. What does that mean? It is a closed short. When a closed short is present on your motherboard, it takes only flare camera to pop it out, or high voltage injection to pop it out. Situations like this, you might keep burning, removing, you don't know where you are going to. It's like someone that is blind, that has no destination. But it's advisable to have all the necessary things to assist your work. So with the flare camera, we were able to know that this actually is wrong on that line. Also,